I feel like this is a point of superiority for a lot of people, but some people tend to think that you should never use a mouse in Excel. However, the mouse is just a different tool, and there are some functions in which I think it's directly better than using a keyboard. Dragging print formatting lines is way easier using a mouse, and you can be way more precise using a mouse. Another important one is if you are making a graph. Now you can activate the graph with your keyboard, but if you want to touch these different columns, if you want to add data labels, if you want to move the data labels around, you pretty much need a mouse. For almost everything graph related, you want to at least involve your mouse to make sure that things are super precise. I personally think that using a mouse is much faster if you need to select non-adjacent cells. There is a way to do this using the keyboard, but it's just super clunky. In my opinion, it's also faster to use a mouse to select data sometimes. For example, if I did it like this, I have to line up exactly where the 2025 is. If I'm using a mouse, I can literally just do it like that. It's much more visual. And finally, and probably most importantly, is pasting into PowerPoint. If you're going to paste into PowerPoint, I honestly just think it's really foolish if you don't involve the mouse a little bit. Yeah, you can do the paste special with your keyboard, but you want to be able to efficiently and smoothly move objects around. And I know this is technically going into PowerPoint, but it's one of the most common tasks you'll be doing in Excel.